Hey, so I am going to do a quick video. This is showing my front yard. I actually never come out in the front yard, never shown my front yard before. It didn't look like this before. Nothing like this before. This is nothing what it looked like, but I will try to figure out a way to post a picture of what it looked like if I can't, whatever. But this is something we did it to our front yard here a few weeks ago, I don't know, a month or two ago. Basically redid the whole front yard because it was all pretty much just weeds and dirt, and a tree that was about 30 foot tall that was dropping limbs, dropped the limb on the house back in August, and it started getting pretty bad, so we just got rid of it. But um, looking at this thing real fast, you can kind of see basically it's decomposed granite and river rock, um, basically for the whole thing. Put a bunch of metal raised beds in the yard so we can actually grow vegetables and flowers in the front yard. This one I basically starting everything from seed. In this bed there's carrots, radishes, spinach, Swiss chard, collards, romaine, kale, and arugula. Not in that specific order, but pretty much in this bed here. And then in this bed over here, I actually had a few starts that I put out. I've had them, just wasn't doing anything with them, so I just threw them out in this one. You can see some collard greens, lettuce, romaine, and we actually put some garlic in this bed also. And you can see the garlic is sprouting pretty good. This arbor we actually built. Um we were going to buy one, but I figured that it wasn't going to be as well built, and everything I saw online was going to be kind of flimsy. So actually, we just bought the wood, and we had some wood left over from a few projects, and built that one. Really didn't cost that much. I think after everything was said and done, $100. But that's because we had stuff left over, so for us it kind of just worked out. Um, this bed is going to have flowers in it. Put some seeds in, but problem is the way this yard is sloped. It's not graded, not flattened. Everything pretty much is washed. You'll see a bunch of like stuff on the edge uh, right there that's actually growing. There are some seeds actually starting to sprout out places, but really it's everything washed to the edge. So we got to figure out a way to trench it and keep everything from washing out to the edge. Um, we had some salvia here from the backyard we dug up, and we put that into these pots here, and then in these raised beds over here, these are pretty much flowers, and there are some bulbs in here. Unfortunately, a couple of bulbs are sprouting. It is December, and everything is kind of wonky because it's 70 degrees here pretty much every day. But you'll see one of these starting to sprout here, another one sprouting right there, and I'm sure the other ones are coming up also. But hopefully it doesn't get too much colder, and as we get closer to February, where it usually gets cold here in San Antonio. This one has snapdragons and pansies and some other stuff in there. This one is strawberries, and this one is strawberries. Problem is with these right now, these strawberries are doing something weird. I think it's because it's really warm right now, and so everything's kind of going crazy. So you look here, and there's a strawberry starting to form. A little concerning. Not sure what to really do. Never really grew strawberries, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Then if you go into this bed, kind of got the same thing going on. There's some strawberries forming. I got some strawberries in the backyard. They're actually doing the same thing. And here's a few more on this one. So I will figure that out. But inside the arbor, we actually have Concord grapes there. Not really sure what they're going to do, but the guy that we got them from said they actually do well here in San Antonio, so we'll see. But quick view of the front yard. Just want to kind of give you a rundown. I still got to put more dirt in the beds. Oh yeah. Um, and then in this bed there is some seeds I threw out. Had no expectation whatsoever for them. Just throwing them out there to see what happens. There's peas. You can see they're actually starting to sprout. I want to say this is kohlrabi, probably kohlrabi right here, and then cauliflower over here. I have no idea. Usually I just throw stuff out and I just see whatever grows, and if it works out, it works out. And these are a few more starts that I had to get rid of. I wasn't sure what to do with them, so instead of throwing them away, pulled them and put them over here and see how they do. They got kind of ate up pretty bad by caterpillars, but they're actually looking like they're starting to maybe bounce back. I would say these were collard greens also. and I'm really not sure what that is, to be honest with you. But we'll see. Whatever happens, happens. But hey, just a quick view of the front yard. Wanted to show everybody kind of what we got going on out here. Haven't really shown anybody this yet, but so you can kind of see what we got going on, and this will be the big project for going into next year. All right, I will check y'all later. All right, bye.